সুস্বাগতম। আজকে আমাদের আলোচ্য বিষয় সায়েন্স ইন আওয়ার ডেইলি লাইফ নিয়ে একটি শর্ট প্যারাগ্রাফ বা রচনা। আচ্ছা, শুরু করি কেমন? মডার্ন এজ ইজ অ্যান এজ অফ সায়েন্স অ্যান্ড টেকনোলজি. It has seen many wonderful inventions. Science had entered into the innermost part of our life. The scientific inventions are too many to be described. Modern machinery has increased the production much. Various kinds of artificial food have been discovered with the help of science. Motor cars, trains, ships, submarines, aeroplanes, etc. have made our communications through land, water, and air easier. The electric fans and lights are mitigating our discomforts. Science has brought under control many fatal diseases. Some of the modern scientific inventions, penicillin, X-ray, plastic surgery, telephone, television, rocket, fighter jet, spaceship, computer, atom bombs, etc. This prove the triumph of science in various directions. Now, science is utilizing nature for good of human race. But science may lead to disaster and annihilation if it is not directed properly for the good
Thanks
of
for watching.
mankind.
Please subscribe.
এই ধরনের নতুন রাইটিং পেতে বা ভিডিও পেতে কমেন্ট করে জানান।